Hi folks, welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Pickaway, Ohio. Today I'm doing a walk around video on a 2020 Forest River Georgetown 31L5. They've made some new color changes on the outside and some new changes on the inside. So we're going to give you a little walk around here and touch on some of those points. So instead of the black on the front, it now has a gray paint job up through here. Gel coat fiberglass LED lights on the front. Still got the V10 Ford with rear vision and side vision cameras. Slide out awning cover. This unit's got 2 slides on it. Big propane tank here. Down below here's going to be your generator. 5500 watt Onan, which is now owned by Cummins. Fiberglass slam doors. More storage down below there. This is going to be your dump station. Whole house filter. Black tank flush. Fresh tank fill, city water hookup, outside shower, LED lights. There's your dump station, your black and gray. There's heat pads on the holding tanks. Also, there's heat pads on the elbows. Fuel, 80 gallons will hold. Just another storage area there with a drain in it. There's your 50 amp power cord. The storage goes all the way across. That's the ladder for the bunk inside, up above the driver's area. Fiberglass rear cap, LED lights, LED backup lights, 5,000 pound hitch, and there's your rear vision camera and a nice view of your frameless windows. Ladder to get up top. This has a fiberglass roof, not a rubber roof. You pretty much have to be in a collision to damage this roof. Walk on it, go anywhere you want. Fiberglass roof is the way to go. Makes the whole motorhome stronger, safer, and less chance for ever leaking. Nice big compartment there. Propane hookup. You got a portable grill. 3/4 way across there. This is to get to your bypass, to your water heater here. Beautiful gel coat fiberglass. Power awning with the metal wrap. LED lights underneath of it. Storage. Access to work on stuff there as well. More storage across there. 12 volt hookup, 110 outlets. Feed your cords through here. Full pass through. Television inside here. Marine grade speakers and marine grade stereo control out here like you have on the back of boats. There's your batteries and your hydraulic jack system. And there's the rear vision camera again. That about wraps up the outside. So let's go inside and check it out. Electric steps, nice grab handles inside and out. Nice looking solid surface countertops there. Let's pan around here. Rounded roof to make it feel bigger. Look at the size of that couch. Booth dinette with some corner seating. That's for when you make a bed. MCD roller shades. You can see there the day shade. Kind of screened. Nice and smooth. And there's your night shade. Got your power bed up front here. Check out the cockpit. Got a power driver's seat. Automatic leveling jacks by LCI. Power heated mirrors. Emergency start. And your headlight control. You have cruise control there. Dash air. A new and improved oversized radio and rear camera system. USB hookups in each one of these. Flip those out, they light. Turn on the radio with this switch right here without having the key in the ignition. This is like a little computer station. Folds out like that. More 12 volt hookups, cup holders everywhere. This is fiberglass, so you can stand on it. It's not going to hurt a thing. Nice padded seats. They will both swivel around. There's a control panel. It will control lights, slides, water heater, tanks, and you can also get an app on your phone, turn on lights. Like I said, do just about anything. Start generator. You can enable auto start, auto gen start if you want to use that app. Flip up countertop. Power inverter switches down there, battery disconnect. 110 outlets down there as well as underneath there. Nice big deep sinks, stainless steel. Pull out sprayer. This countertop, nice backsplash. Convection microwave. storage galore, big oven, the largest RV refrigerator that you can get that is propane and electric. This is the Norcold Polar Max, 18 cubic feet. Pantry here, all finished off nice and smooth. Hidden hinges, more storage down there. TV's right here on a nice angle with the sound bar and the fireplace below. That's electric fireplace. It comes over here, this extra large couch. All four of those positions recline. Accent lights underneath of it, accent lights in these cup holders, and on the outside seats they have power, recline and open, and they have heat and massage, and they have neck rest. Adjust that to your fitting. And if you got the outside seat and have a drink and you don't want that cup holder, maybe you're right-handed, we also have it here, and a charging station there. And you have the same thing here. Very nice. Heat and AC controls. You also have heat in your air conditioner as well. Fiberglass shower. So 3 forms of heat in this motorhome. The seat inside there. Lots of room on the throne. Lots of counter space. Deep vanity area. Have a window in your bathroom, which a lot of motorhomes do not. Fart fan up there. Porcelain toilet. Nice pocket door to close this off here. King size bed. His closet. Her closet, much bigger. 5 big drawers below. Storage behind the television. This does have twin airs with heat strips. Washer dryer prep as well. There's the drawers below there. Beautiful motorhome. Nice traditional layout. Still decent space to move around when you're traveling. Put the slides in. I think that's going to conclude this video. If you have any questions, give us a call, stop by, or give us an email. Exit 83, Pickwill, Ohio, 20 minutes north of Dayton, Ohio. Have a great day.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.